Hello viewers, today is our topic about how to add a download button to your website and how we do this. Let's get in. I already create a button for it. You can design your button whatever you want the design. Okay, so let's get in. Go to the file which I want to be download from my website. So it's a demi uh, file. Okay. Uh, right click on it. You what file you want to be download. So right click on it, go to send to and compressed it. Okay, this is the file I made it. Okay, then go to your website and go to the media. And in media, you click on add new button, select the file from your PC. Okay, this is the file I already created to zip file. Okay, compress it, open it. When it's done, then go to the library and select the file. This is the link what we want to add in the button. Okay, copy the link and go to the download button and add the link. Here I add the link, then click on save changes and save it, and it's done. Exit Visual Builder, and when you click on this, it will download the file. Sorry, here. Here is the file of the download. Now I think why we can not download it directly. So I am going to check it. Okay, I select the wrong uh, link. This is the link we want to add. Okay, uh, go to library and change the setting here. I want to change it. Okay, change it. Now you can see the actual link here. Okay, just copy it and go to the button. Now I am thinking how I forget that. Select it and go to the link and add the link we copied. Then okay, save it. Exit the Visual Builder. Now click on the download and it will download directly the file. Okay, thank you. Please like and subscribe my videos and my channel. Thank you.